Right, ladies and gentlemen, this is your boy Master Fred Jr., aka Asladeo. I am back again. You are most welcome to the positive side of YouTube, where we discuss the Roman and self-provoking story, and Asladeo is always on the right side. Yes, Tembo Hudson, down on your Tembo Hudson. Tembo Hudson is one of the prominent musicians from North here. La dite bedo kid go menoni la dito karki we mogil woni kori paliech. Kori paliech is the kind of style and anyway is a folk song menoni. So fusing traditional style me beats ruba ki modern style take chill rap take a go flow you will kubu beats that style nowadays down or take a marne ti chop makonyepe. Meanwhile this song okaro some weeks ago la did take a planning me shooting video na jem went to award kore Tembo Hudson this year 2025 anymore yapane la dita take a project ma dita de da ma take a TGA la dita take a working on each and everything down when Tembo in baby music you are not taking music seriously, but when N is here to prove his fan wrong. Karmo karangej ni radia ngej mo ino what when you make you want make you want tigi yeah tigi to menoni and Tembo gibe they were there with GPAD and the wrong government bigger bro we really love you kare better poor better poor better kono but no one what tia cheli twin for my tech boys me kid gumba na me repe kila diet and me chara consoling may his soul rest in peace. Tembo Hudson Tembo Hudson is working on a project when they be karaoke EP more. When they say EP no way Maduong is working in more than one song. When I do go, this guy Gemini can be tag but he's just he was concentrating on business again. He's not only a musician but he's a businessman. Nearly concentrating in each and every corner of the survival. So music video will carry very soon, and please let's support our own talent. Let's support the music that we really produce from North here. Regardless, we move. Let's improve on our energy of support by fans. One long the way don't take a team they're doing that part. They're fighting so hard, me improving on the culture of the music fraternity. Meanwhile, what ye Kibene GPAD and is a hip hop load big up GPAD. Please, ladies and gentlemen, who is watching me, I'll be sharing the link pa way manyan pa Tembo Hudson and Magalwani Koripaliech. Koripaliech no really meaning actually. Please don't forget to subscribe to his YouTube channel, and meanwhile you don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel too. Dig up.